Wagwan J Squad, it's your boy Jay and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by, and if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Now today's video is going to be an exciting video as usual. Today's video we're going to be doing corn dogs, but we're going to be doing corn dogs with a special twist. We're going to be adding mozzarella cheese to our corn dog today. And I'm also going to be doing something nice at the end of the video, but you have to watch the end of the video to really see what we're going to do. If you're interested in this video, make sure that you join us on the other side. Let's go! So corn dogs is a Korean street food. You know, just like us in Jamaica, we have all sorts of different street food. We have jerk chicken, pan chicken on the road and so on. In Korea, they have corn dogs and so on. So the idea of creating corn dogs originated from Korea. But here we go now. We in Jamaica and we're gonna do our thing a little bit different. So watch this. One of the things in order to have corn dogs, you must have your little sticks, your skewers. Now I went ahead and I did my own Jamaican thing. I went ahead and I made my own skewers out of pimento wood. And the idea of using the pimento wood is to also give our corn dogs a nice Caribbean flavor. So here you have it, guys. We have our pimento wood skewers, and we're gonna go ahead now and start the process in putting everything together. Let me go ahead and tell you about corn dogs. Corn dogs are nice summer food. Mostly if you go in countries like United States, when they're having their carnivals and so on, you'll always see them having corn dogs on sale because corn dogs are very exciting to eat. So join me now, guys. We're gonna put things together. When we're putting together corn dogs, one of the main ingredients that we will have is frankfurters or sausages in some countries. Now what I've done is go ahead and boil these for 2 minutes so that you know they're easy to work with. My next step is to slice them in half. Now there you have it, guys. The sausages or the franks are now cut into even pieces. Now our next step is to put the skewers through our sausage and continue the process. So the next step is to add our mozzarella cheese. Now we're gonna cut up our mozzarella cheese into even portions as well. Alright guys, so there you have it. The mozzarella cheese is now portioned. So what we're gonna now do is put together the mozzarella cheese and our sausage, and then we can continue the process. So what we're gonna do now is to bore the skewers through our hot dog sausages and also through our mozzarella cheese, and then we're gonna prepare our batter. So now we have all of our sausages and mozzarella cheese on our sticks. So what we're gonna now do is go ahead and prepare our batter. So yeah guys, you know, one of the first things we have to have whenever we're preparing our batter, we have to have a bowl. So we're gonna now add our flour to our bowl, and then we can add our eggs and also our milk and salt. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead now, guys, and we're gonna just sift our flour. Now the purpose of sifting the flour is to, you know, get the softest version of the flour possible. We don't want all the pebbles from the flour to go into what we're gonna be doing because we want it to be smooth. We're gonna add a couple pinch of salt into our flour, you know, just to give flavor to the batter. You don't want to add too much because you don't want your batter to be salty. And then our next step is that we're gonna go ahead and add our eggs. So for this batter, we're just gonna go ahead and add 2 eggs. Remember, in doing this, guys, you have to be careful of eggshells. So be very careful when breaking the egg. Stir the egg and the flour together to create the batter that we're gonna be using for our corn dogs. So the next thing we're gonna do now is to go ahead and add our milk. Alright guys, so I'm gonna now add the milk. Alright. All you have to do now, guys, is to go ahead and stir until... Alright, so remember guys, we're gonna now stir until the batter is smooth and thick. So now we're ready to prepare our corn dogs. Alright guys, so we're now going to take things to the next level. So what we're gonna do now is to submerge the mozzarella cheese and the sausage into the batter. Remember, you want to go ahead and submerge everything, guys. Alright, so there you have it, guys. The finished product, corn dogs. And guess what? The surprise that I had for you guys, I also added a burger to the mix. So, you know, we're representing summer food. So if you're interested to, you know, just go out and grab a nice bite, why not try to do it at home? You know, corn dogs on a stick, homemade sticks of course, and a nice burger on the side. And also you have your mayo and your ketchup for the persons who like to add those to their meals. So take a good look at it, guys. If you like this video, remember to like, subscribe, and also drop us a comment. It really helps the channel. So okay guys, see you on the next one. And as we always say on our channel, JAE Says, and we are out of here.